Hi dear friends, I wish you health, happiness and blue sky, and in this short video I want to tell you a bit about the structure of task 1, writing task 1 in IELTS. As you know, we are given many types of graphs, many tables, or I don't know, like let's say maps or process charts, and we need to write a small essay. Actually, it's not an essay, it's a report, a small report of 150 words regarding this chart. We should describe this chart, and of course it's not only about description, but it's also about making relevant comparisons. First of all, I want to tell you a bit about the structure of this writing task 1. You know that you have to write 150 words. They give you 20 minutes. Actually, they don't give you 20 minutes. They give you 1 hour. And how you are going to divide this 1 hour between task 1 and task 2 is totally up to you. Because there are some people who struggle with task 1. That's why they spend 30 minutes on task 1 and 30 minutes on task 2. They spend less time on task 2 because they don't have this difficulty. Okay, task 1. We have to write 150 words minimum and maximum it's 180. Don't write more, because in this case the focus of your essay or the focus of your report will be blurred. That's not good. You have to write approximately 4 paragraphs. Let's call all these parts paragraphs. 4 paragraphs. First is introduction, where you just paraphrase your task. You paraphrase it. You should mention what, where, and when. These 3 points, especially what this chart is about, where it happens, when they mention some countries in this chart, and when, of course, you should mention the periods in these charts. The periods are very important because you should write your essay regarding these periods. If it's about past, you should use past simple, past perfect. If it's about future, you will use future simple, of course, or future perfect, and so on. The next paragraph we call overview. We start this word with overall, and sometimes some people say overall, but actually it's not overall, it's an overview where you mention general points of your task. Mostly we mention there some highest points, lowest points. We mention there some big changes and minor changes, and we have our paragraphs, paragraph 1, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. They are actually bigger than overview. In most cases they are bigger, but not always. They are bigger than overview and introduction. And here the main point is that you have to divide your information clearly into these 2 bodies. It's very important to divide it appropriately, to divide it properly. Why? Because you will make comparisons and the examiner should understand the logics of your division. That's very important. And while writing these paragraphs, you will write some numbers which are mentioned inside in your graph. And while writing them, you should make some relevant comparisons, because the task itself says us make comparisons, make relevant comparisons. Okay, the main difference between overview and body paragraphs is that in body paragraphs you write numbers. In overview you don't write numbers, because overview is just like a general picture of what we see in our graph. The next thing is that when you write your body paragraphs, you should use some complex sentences in order not to make your essay full of different just simple sentences. You should learn some complex structures, complex sentences, and make comparisons in this way. And I have one point more. While writing your overview, you should make comparisons. You should be very careful while making comparisons in overview, because overview is the first step that shows how you are going to divide your information into bodies. That's very important. Okay, I hope this video can help you in your writing task 1. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.